introduce myself. My name is Dwi Ari Kurniawan, NIM 202111643, class 2P Management. Retailing is impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the economy of Indonesia. Uh, Impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the economy of Indonesia. Abstract. COVID-19 is a global health problem including in Indonesia. The increased case of COVID-19 proved to have quite a significant impact on the economic globality, which may have affected stability in Indonesia. This method of collecting data is a method of study literature with secondary data types. Data is taken from the internet which respect to the validity of information such as government official information, official online sites, and progressive results of valid data. After obtaining the existing reference, a sorting of information that is appropriate to the topic of discussion. Data analysis is presented in graphical form and comes with a descriptive narrative. Based on the research, the impact of COVID-19 pandemic affect the economy in Indonesia. The affected sector during the COVID-19 pandemic are in transportation, tourism, trade, health, and other sector, but the economic country. The deadline of Bank Indonesia 7-day reverse rate, the interest, the rate of deposit facility, and lending facility interest rate, monitoring of global and domestic economy development, uh, conjunction by Indonesia was asset sheet partially so that inflation and stability remain in control. Introduction. COVID-19 is global health problem including Indonesia. This was intended from the information of the World Health Organization on 31 December 2019. There was a case of a cloud of pneumonia with a new etiology in Wuhan City, Hubei province, China, and later expanded beyond China. On 30 January 2000, COVID-19 was set to become the public health emergency of international concern on 11 March 2000. COVID-19 was designated as a pandemic. Indonesia first recorded two positive cases on March 2, 2000, and a positive case continued to increase until April 25, 2200. Indonesia already reported 8. The increased case of COVID-19 has affected the world economy, including Indonesia. The COVID-19 pandemic that has been established by the UN affects the transportation, tourism, trade, health, and other sectors. The World Bank is projecting Indonesia economic growth this year will be depressed at 2.1%. Bank Indonesia has also revised the projected economic growth of the RE to under 5% or only about 2.5%. Inflation that's occurred in the years in the projection will be increased to 3% because of the tight supply of food and the depreciation depreciation of currencies that are expanded expanded to be offset partly by the decline in the price of non-subsidy foods as well as additional subsidies for electricity and foods. However, in the years 2021, inflation is believed to return to normal levels, which is 2.8%. Such method 2.1 information collection. That's methods of collecting in the research data you use. The literate by methods, the types of data collection is secondary data. Data extracts from online media which data criteria are taken from official website information of the government of Indonesia, website official online news website and process data from relevant sources. The criteria of data that is not taken are personal website information, blog, personal quotes of people, not government, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others social media, and media chat. The range of information update starts from February 2020 to May 2020. The data collection comes from publicates in Indonesian online. 2.2 Place and time research. Thus, research place is conducted in Medan City, North Sumatra Province, Indonesia, while the search time began in February 2020 until the month of May 2020. 2.3 Information progressing after obtaining of existing reference, sorting of information that corresponds to the topic of discussion in the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic to the economy in Indonesia, and then the progressing of information according to the topic of discussion. 2.4 Information analysis based on the literate body conjunction. Data analysis presented in the form of graph and equipped with a descriptive narrative relate to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic to the economy in Indonesia. Discussion. uh, Pandemic COVID-19 in Indonesia resulted in a potentially growing negative Indonesian economy of 0.4%, which is the worst case scenario. The optimal scenario is only 2.3% required from the growth of household consumption. Club scenarios were exit to slow down with 3.2% in vague scenarios and 1.6% in the broadcast scenarios. And government consumption growth only grew 6.83% or worst case scenario of 3.1730%, kata data 2020, based on sectors that have impacted the impact of pandemic COVID-19. The household sector has been a very significant sector because it does not conduct economic activity. Small and medium enterprise, UMKM, and corporation become a sector affected and implication in the financial sector, kata data 2020. Indonesian Ministry of Finance notes at large like losses caused by the outbreak of the virus. First until 11 April, more than 1.5 million employers broke down or termination of employment or LEGOFFS and was formulated where uh, 1.2 million workers came from the formal sector. Uh, Secondly, the Indonesian Purchasing Manager Index, PMI, below the 15 level is only 14.5 in March 2020, seriously more than uh, mm, 12 flights at 11 airports were cancelled throughout January until February, with detail of 11 domestic flights and one into 0 to 3 international flight for around 0.07 billion. Lost revenues is the air service sector, with approximately uh, 14.8 billion lost the donation by flag uh, China's flag force. Tourism number decreased to 6.800 per day, especially tourism from China. 6. Indonesian Hotel and Restaurant Association estimates that tackling occupancy rates around 6.000 hotels in Indonesia cancelled 15% this growth after the decline of uh, tourism. Forex Since more than half a year ago, seven Indonesian imports occurs January until March 2020 dropped 3.7% years to date. Egg inflation in March 2020 recounted at 2.96% year on year. Western Asian gold price increases in jewelry as well as come from food price soaring. However, there are deflation on various silicon commodities and our freight rates. Santoso 2020 uh, coronavirus outbreak in China was also suspended to have an impact on Indonesian agricultural trade. During this time, the export of palm oil is one of the largest exporting contributions to China. However, in February 2020, the realization only reached uh, 18 for tons. This figure is very far when compared with the previous months. Realization of January 2020 of 487 tons and the same period of 2019 and shots 371 tons. Detik.com 2020. The terms of the import of Forge Indonesia, which defendants of garlic from Indonesia can only import garlic from China for 2003 by February 2020. This figure also drops drastically when compared with the previous years importing such. In February 2020, China's large import decline was also seen fruit commodities. The fruit commodities impact will signification by to 7.8% from 160.4 million to 3.9 billion dollar. Government roles. This means that the government is seriously providing an economic stimulus package. The government realization the true non-medical impact of the plague were caused by the SARS of true virus and can be seen from the many people who lost their jobs and livelihoods because they had to be home. Saying the competition, the government has made various efforts to help to the community economy through various policies. Conclusion. COVID-19 pandemic, in addition to being a global health problem, also has implication on the economic in Indonesia. Indonesia potentially close negative uh, 0.4%, which is the worst case scenario. The economic sector most affected by COVID-19 is the household sector. Optimizing the potential in the country, the deadline of BI 7-day reservoir rates rate. The interest rate of deposit facility and lending facility interest are monitoring of global and domestic economic development conducted by Indonesia was actually socially precisely so the inflation and stability remain in control. Mm, Thank you.